Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to block someone on Binance Square. Now let us begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. We have also created a tutorial if you are facing any issues. Now let's simply say you want to block someone. For instance, let's say I want to block this creator right here. I'm simply gonna go to the profile right now. And that is it. This is the creator's profile. Do note that this is only for an example purpose. Right next to the follow button, you will see these three dots. Click on it, and as such, two options will be provided to you, either report or block. Right now we want to block them, so let's simply hit on block user and just give our confirmation. And that is it, guys. That's how we block any creator in Binance Square. It's quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.